Hey fashion enthusiasts, it's time to elevate your style game by mastering the art of tying a tie. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, a wedding, or a casual dinner, knowing the perfect knot can make all the difference. Let's start with the Windsor knot. This classic wide knot is ideal for spread collars and formal occasions. Step 1. Drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right, extending about 12 inches below the narrow end. Step 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Step 3. Bring it up through the neck loop from underneath and then down. Step 4. Wrap the wide end behind the narrow end and pull it through the neck loop again. Step 5. Bring it down through the loop in front and tighten it by pulling the wide end down. Adjust for symmetry. Next up, the Half-Windsor Knot. Slightly smaller and easier than the Windsor, it's perfect for medium-width collars. Start with the same initial steps as the Windsor, but after crossing the wide end over the narrow end, bring it up through the neck loop from underneath and down. Wrap the wide end around the front, pull it up through the neck loop again, and down through the new loop in front. Tighten and adjust. Now, the 4-in-hand knot. This simple asymmetrical knot is great for narrow collars and casual settings. Drape the tie with the wide end longer. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, wrap it around behind and bring it forward again. Pull it through the neck loop from underneath and down through the front loop. Tighten and adjust. For the Pratt knot, which works well with any collar, start with the tie inside out, wide end on your right. Cross the wide end under the narrow end. Bring it up through the neck loop and down. Wrap it over the narrow end. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath and down through the front loop. Tighten and adjust. Feeling confident? Let's tackle advanced knots. The Eldridge knot is a modern, intricate design. Start with the narrow end extended. Create multiple loops and folds, wrapping the narrow end around itself. Slowly and carefully shape the knot. It's all about precision, so take your time. Lastly, the Trinity Knot. This triangular bold knot is a real showstopper. Begin with the wide end extended. Form a small loop with the narrow end, wrap it around, and create a series of interlocking loops. Adjust each part meticulously, and there you have it. A collection of tie knots for every occasion. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, grab your ties and start practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fashion tips and tricks, and as well as knowledge on various subjects. Stay stylish and stay tuned.